Hi guys, it's Carrie. I have an unboxing for you today from Lion Brand. I'm not a big fan of this yarn, but I had to get it because of what was on it. Sesame Street Elmo with a smile. Sesame Street Off the Hook Magic. It's Elmo with a smile. .3 ounces, 95 grams, 100% polyester, machine washable and dryable. Another ammo, just the eyes. Grover. I used to watch Sesame Street all the time when I was a kid, years and years and years ago. Big Bird. Oscar the Grouch. And Cookie Monster. So I got those. I got Lion Brand Landscapes. It's very, very, very soft. 100% acrylic. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. 109 yards, 100 meters. It's a full weight. It's a very light full weight. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. It's very soft. I love the colors in it. So I got 3 of these. I've had this before. The Mandala Watercolors. It's very pretty colors, how it plays out. .5 ounces, 100 grams, 164 yards, 150 meters. Machine wash on gentle, lay flat to dry. 75% acrylic, 15 wool, 10 nylon. It's a 5 weight. And I would say it is. One of my favorites is a 5 weight. The color I have here is Wild Pansy. Sorry, I have allergies really bad. So I got 3 of these. And I got some more. The Sunset Nights. Goes light green to green white to like a grassy green to dark green. It's a 4-weight. Machine wash on gentle, lay flat to dry. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 273 yards, 250 meters. 90 acrylic, 10 polyester. It's very soft. And the sequence that runs through it. The color I have is Isle of Sky. It's very pretty. I got 3 of those. And I had to get some more of the wool spun. This color is olive that I have. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 127 yards, 116 meters. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. It's a 5-weight, and I would say it is. Machine wash and dryable. Made in Turkey. So this color is olive. And this one I got some more Shawl in the Ball fab. I've had this before. And the sparkles. Very, very pretty. And it's very, very soft. It's a 4-weight. 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 459 yards, 420 meters. 40% cotton, 30% polyester, 20% acrylic, and 10% wool. Machine wash and gentle, lay flat to dry. The color I have here, I'm not able to say what that is, but it's very pretty. It has browns in it. And so that was all that I got. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.